Hello, welcome to Tablescapes and Decor, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Well, today I'm bringing you 5 different tablescape ideas for your home for spring, and I hope you see something that you like and that you would do in your own home. Now, we're going to start with this beautiful pink and gold tablescape. I really like how it turned out, but I'd love to hear what you think. Now, in the center, I wanted to give the tablescape, rather elevate the tablescape by using a taller centerpiece. So I'm using a vase and just some tall stems that I've actually had for a couple of years now. The plates are some beautiful plates that I picked up a couple of years ago from Home Goods, and the glassware comes from Home Goods as well. Really like, again, how this turned out. And as you can see, I have a smaller table. I believe it's 52 inches, I think, round. So this is a look that you can do if you have a smaller table, or you can certainly add some more place settings if your table is larger. Now, I always love to add a tea set to my tablescapes because I do drink a lot of tea myself, and I think this teapot as well as these cups all come from Home Goods. The silverware comes from Home Goods as well. And I believe the chargers probably come from Ross, as well as the placemats. Now, the little pink apples that you see there, those came from Home Goods as well. So again, this is the first tablescape, pink and gold, really glam and feminine. And I do like how it turned out, but let me know what you think, please. Do you like tablescape number 1? And if you do, and if this is something you would make, I'd like to hear that. I'd like to hear that. And so let me know in the comments. Okay, we'll take another look at this tablescape, and then we're going to go to a different look. Now, this is completely different. And for this one, I went with all blue and white. And you can see the pattern on the plates, as well as the cups, the teapot, the napkins. I've used the Greek key gold napkin rings. Those came from efavormart, as well as all of the linen came from efavormart, including the tablecloth. And again, as I may have mentioned, I'm an efavormart affiliate, so I'll leave links in the description box if you'd like to order any of the linen. It would certainly help if you use the affiliate link. But the vase there is something I bought, probably 5 years ago from Ross, and I do love it, and I usually find a place to use it every year. And the cups, or the glasses rather, are from Dollar Tree. And then again, all the plates, the cups, the tea set, all of that all come from Home Goods. So again, I love blue and white, and I certainly love blue, white, and gold together. But let me know what you think. Would you do something like this? Do you like all the print? Is it too much? Would you do something different for the centerpiece? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and what you think in the comments. All right, so we're taking one last look here at the blue and gold tablescape. Again, let me know what you think. This is tablescape number 2, and I do have some more to share with you. Now, this one is not a tablescape. It is more of a serving station or tea station, and it's actually a throwback from 2024, but I wanted to include it in this series because it was one of my favorites from last year. So again, you can see I'm combining all the pink and gold elements. Now, I also have lots of DIYs in this particular setting. So the mirrors, the oval shaped mirrors on both sides, those are DIYs. That crystal and butterfly tray in the middle is also a DIY. The pink tea set comes from Ross. The cups on the right come from Home Goods, and the DIYs are the butterfly and mirror set that's in the middle, again, as well as those trays that I mentioned. And this was one of my favorite DIYs from last season. So again, I wanted to share that with you. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box in case you're interested in seeing how the DIYs were created. Now you'll see I'm using the same pink Victoria stemware. I've added some greenery in the back. I'm using the pink linen, satin linen that comes from efavormart, and I have white chargers there in the back as the backdrop for the serving station. So again, just another idea for spring. It is feminine, but it's very glam, and I hope that you would like it, and maybe this is something that you would do in your home this season. So one more look at this, and then I have a couple other tablescapes here to share with you. All right, so we're going back to pink and gold again. I've brought back the same linen that I used in the first video, except I did change out the napkins. I went with the pink satin napkins, same napkin holders and plates. I did swap out the chargers for the gold chargers. I'm using the same tea set and the same glassware and stemware, but I did change out the centerpiece. I've added these pink candles to the candle holders there that you see, and the ginger jar in the middle is an oversized ginger jar that I picked up last year from Home Goods. The candle holders, I've probably had them for maybe 5 years or so, but they come from Ross. Those little floral little rose florals there that you see around the vase. I've tried this look before in a different setting, and those I think came from Walmart. They were really inexpensive. But again, just another look that I think is glam, but also very feminine, and I hope it's classy as well. And let me know if you like it. Again, this would be look number 4. And we'll take another look here from the top to see, what this setting looked like. And then we'll go ahead, and I think I have one more to show you after this one. Now, if I haven't mentioned it, my table is small. It's about 52 inches round. So I do like to show you these if you have a smaller table. That way you can get some ideas. But as I mentioned, I think before, you can always add some extra place settings, if you have a larger table. Okay, so now we're going to look at one more tablescape. I kept the linen the same. I swapped out the centerpiece. I wanted to see what this would look like with a floral centerpiece. Changed out the ginger jar, changed out the tea set, and brought the apples back from the first tablescape, and changed out the teacups for these beautiful little rose teacups that come from Home Goods, but I've had them for probably 3 years now. Did keep the plates and the chargers and the napkins and all of that the same, but again, it gives it a little bit of a different look. Very romantic and feminine. Overall, I like it, but I'd love to hear what you think. And again, this would be look number 5. If this is the one you like, and you can please leave me a comment. I'd like to hear what you think. So guys, these are the tablescapes that I have for you today. Also, please go and visit the new website, Tablescapes and I'll be coming back with some more videos soon. I'm actually working on an exterior makeover video series for spring. Got a lot of work to do outside, as well as some interior videos that I'll be doing, because on this channel I like to do tablescapes, obviously, but also home decor and even a couple home decor kind of DIY videos. And again, I hope you'll visit my other channels. If you like this kind of content, I hope that you'll subscribe today. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Thanks everyone. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.